around us. So we all know that air is a component of air is a mixture of all the gases. That in air, oxygen, carbon dioxide, methane, hydrogen, helium. Okay, there are too many gases which is present in air. So today we are going to read this chapter. Start reading the chapter, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Air around us, chapter number 15. We have learned in chapter 9 that all living things require air. But have you ever seen it? You might have not seen it, but surely you must have felt its presence in so many ways. You notice it that when the leaves of the trees rustle or the clothes hanging on a clothesline sway, pages of an open book begin fluttering when the fan is switched on. The moving air makes it possible for you to fly your kite. Do you remember activity 3 in chapter 5, in which you separated the sand and sawdust by winnowing? Winnowing is more effective in moving air. You may have noticed that during storms the wind blows at a very high speed. It may even uproot trees and blow off the rooftops.
Okay,
Have you ever
Danish. Wait. Okay, Stuti Gupta.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read the next topic, that is
Activity 1. Activity 1. Let us make a frisbee of our own following the instruments.
Following the
Shown in figure. Following the
instructions.
instructions shown in figure 15.2. Hold the stick of the foot
50.
and place it 50 and place it in the different direction in an open area. Move it a little back and forth. Observe what happens. Does the 50 rotate? What makes the 50 rotate? Moving air, isn't it? Have you seen a weather of figure 15.3? It shows the direction in which the air is moving at that pace.
Okay. Now,
15.1.
beta, Stuti, hold on, beta. Okay. Now let me explain this. After that, we will come to the next topic. So, air around us, it means that air is present around us. Okay, we cannot see air. So, have you ever seen air?
No, ma'am.
Because we cannot see air, we can feel it. Yeah, right. So we cannot see air, we can only feel it. ठीक है? So you notice it when the leaves of trees rustle. आप देखोगे जब हवा चलती है तो trees के जो leaves है वो move करते हैं. They are moving. ठीक है? Are the clothes hanging on a clothesline sway? Clothesline sway मतलब आपको पता है rope है, पतली rope जिस पे हम clothes डालते हैं. So when the air moves, then the clothes hanging on clothesline it sways. ठीक है? Sway मतलब लहराना. So pages of an open book begin fluttering when the fan is switched on. So when the fan is switched on, the book pages start fluttering. ठीक है? So it means that something is present around us, that is air. The moving air makes it possible for you to fly your kite. So the moving air, it makes it possible that we can fly our kite. ठीक है? Kite उड़ाने के लिए क्या चाहिए? Air चाहिए ना? We need air to fly a kite. So do you remember activity 3 in chapter 5, in which you separated the sand and sawdust by winnowing? So we have read the chapter 5, that is separation of substances, in which in which we can separate sand and sawdust by winnowing. आपने पढ़ा था ना? That winnowing is the method in which we can separate husk from wheat grains.
Yes,
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
In the
ma'am.
presence of air. In the presence of air. So winnowing is more effective in moving air. अगर हवा चलेगी तो it is more effective. You may have noticed blows at a very high speed. तब उसमें क्या होता है, जब आंधी आती है, आपने देखा होगा storm मतलब आंधी, so wind it blows at a very high speed. ठीक है, what is wind? Wind क्या होते हैं? The moving air is called wind. Okay, it may even uproot trees and blow off rooftops. Means if the speed of wind is very high, so it may even uproot trees. Uproot trees means जड़ से बाहर निकल जाना, जो चीज होते हैं, ठीक है. एंड ब्लोज ऑफ द रूफ टॉप्स, अब वो क्या होते हैं, हवा के साथ उड़ जाते हैं. मे बी वो आपके रूफ टॉप पे हो जाए, किसी अदर एरिया पे, ठीक है. हैव यू एवर प्लेड विद द फिरकी? सो हैव यू एवर प्लेड विद द फिरकी? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव प्लेड विद द फिरकी? काइंडली रेज योर हैंड. Only 9 people. 10, 11, 12. It means you know what is firki? Okay. Okay. Soham.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me?
Yes, ma'am. Firki is a type of fan-like structure which moves when blowing air starts to blow.
Okay. And Danish, how is the fans of firki made? How it is made up of?
And paper.
Right.
Ma'am, we need to cut out paper. Ma'am, we need to cut out paper in different shapes of leaves.
Yeah. Right.
And then attach it to the stick.
Okay, beta. It means that firki is made up of paper. Here in figure 15.1, different types of firki is given. Figures of different types of firki is given. Yes, you can make it at your home. You have craft paper, so you can use craft paper for making different types of firki. Yeah, right, beta. Okay. So here you will see figure 15.1. First figure अगर आप देखो normal condition में है, when the wind is high, when the wind blows at a very high speed, it starts rotating. ये क्या करेगा, इस डायरेक्शन में रोटेट करेगा. जिस डायरेक्शन में एयर होगी उस डायरेक्शन में क्या करेगा, क्लॉकवाइज या फिर एंटी क्लॉकवाइज रोटेशन होता है. ओके, सो नाउ कम टू एक्टिविटी 1. नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, you have to make a firki of your own and you have to follow the instruction which is shown in figure 15.2. How you can make firki is given in this figure 15.2. ठीक है. So hold the stick of the firki and place in different direction in an open area. You have to hold the stick of firki and you have to place it in different direction in open area. ये firki है तो ये move करेगी open area में, घर के अंदर तो move नहीं करेगी. Maybe fan अगर if the fan is switched on then it will start rotating. ठीक है. But आपको क्या करना है, you have to make a firki and yes you will use fan. Okay. So move it a little back and forth. अब आप इसे back and forth move भी कर सकते हो. Observe what happens. So you have to observe what happens. Does the firki rotate? What makes a firki rotate? Moving air, isn't it? ठीक है. अब जब इसे ओपन एरिया में ले जाओगे और बैक एंड फोर्थ मतलब आगे पीछे मूवमेंट करोगे तो does the firki rotate?
Yes.
And what makes a firki rotate? Why it's rotating, beta?
Wind.
Because of wind. Because of moving air, right?
And because of wind.
Okay.
Because of wind.
Yes, because of air it start rotating its fan. ठीक है. Now
Ma'am,
have you seen a weathercock 15.3 figure 15.3? So figure of weathercock is given. It shows the direction in which air is moving at that place. अब ये देखो एरो है, जिस साइड ये एरो का हेड रहेगा, so it shows the direction in which air is moving. Okay. Is this clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Where that firki rotate because of air, you can do this activity at your home.
When the air is moving.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, how does it tell us in which side air is moving?
Beta, if we keep this weathercock in any
direction of air.
Present everywhere around us. Close your fist. What do you have in it? Nothing. Try the following activity to find out. Activity 2. Take an empty open bottle. Is it really empty or does it have something inside? Turn it upside down. Is something inside it now? Now dip the open mouth of the bottle into the bucket filled with water as shown in figure 15.4. Observe the bottle. Does water enter the bottle? Now tilt the bottle slightly. Does the water now enter the bottle? Do you see bubbles coming out of the bottle or hear any bubbly sound? Can you now guess what was in the bottle?
Okay, hold on.
Yes,
Beta.
you are
Gauri,
right. It is
Gauri, wait.
Ma'am,
Yes, Davish.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Coming outside of the bottle or
Start reading from this line. Raj Kamal. Start reading from this line. Yes, you are right.
Yes, you are right. It is air that was present in bottle. The bottle was not empty at all. In fact, it was filled completely with air. Even when you turn it upside down, that is the way you notice the water.
That
water when it is pushed in a inward position
Inverted.
as the inverted. There was no space for area
Air.
sorry,
Yes.
ma'am, air to escape. When the bottle was tightened, the
Tilted.
air was able to come outside out in the form of bubbles and water filled up the empty space that the air is occupied. The
Okay.
activity shown shows that air occupies space in fills all the space in the bottle. It is present everywhere around us. Air has no color and one of the thought it is transparent. Our
Okay,
actions
beta,
are
hold on. Raj Kamal, hold on, beta. Let me explain first. Okay. So now come to read this activity, activity 2. So, is air present everywhere around us? So, when we close our face, when we want to catch air, so are we able to catch air? We cannot. Yes, right. We cannot catch air in our face. Okay? Because air is because air we can feel air. Okay? So we cannot catch air in our face. So now we come to read this activity 2. Come and take an empty open. Yes. Uses you.
Ma'am, when we put the
Come to this activity 2. You have to take an empty open bottle. ठीक है, you can take any bottle, जो भी आप bottle जैसे आप लोग होती है बिस्लरी की bottle, किल्ली, ठीक है. Is it really empty or does it have something inside? So you have to find out that is it really empty or does it have something inside? कुछ उसके अंदर है या सच में खाली है? You have to find out. You have to turn it, ठीक है? Turn the bottle upside down and is something inside it? Now you have to check whether it is empty and does it have something inside. Okay, now you have to perform this experiment which is given in 15.4. Experiment with an empty bottle. You have to dip the open mouth of the bottle into the bucket filled with water. ठीक है? If you see this figure 15.4, ठीक है? You have to take an open empty bottle. Now you have to dip the open mouth of the bottle into the bucket which is filled with water. ठीक है? Now you have to observe the bottle. So you have to answer these question. Does water enter the bottle? Water आपके bottle में जा रहे हैं. So yes, it will enter the bottle. Now tilt the bottle slightly. You have to see this figure. ठीक है. अब ये क्वेश्चन का आंसर मैं देती हूँ. देखिए इसमें. So now tilt the bottle slightly. Now you have to tilt. Tilt मतलब हल्का सा टेढ़ा. ठीक है. You have to slightly tilt the bottle. And does the water now enter the bottle? ठीक है. Do you see bubbles coming out of the bottle or hear a bubbly sound? Can you now guess what was in the bottle? So all of you have to perform this activity at your home. ठीक है. You have to take a water bottle and you have to dip the open mouth of the bottle into the bucket which is filled with water. अगर देखो ये straight है. So does the water enter the bottle? Have you seen water inside this bottle?
And cannot enter because the air is slightly attached.
Yes, because of air. Because the bottle is filled with air. That's why water does not enter in the bottle. ठीक है. So if you see this figure, water is not present in this bottle. But if we slightly tilt the bottle, अगर हम ये bottle को हल्का सा टेढ़ा कर दें, if we slightly tilt the bottle, so does water enter the bottle?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir,
ठीक है. इसमें आपका water नहीं जाएगा. If we slightly tilt the bottle, so yes, the water now enter the bottle. So one more question. Danish, wait, beta. Do you see bubbles coming out of the bottle?
yes, ma'am.
Or do you see any bubbly sound coming from the bottle?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you will see bubbles here. देखो आप ये figure देखोगे, you will see bubbles. ठीक है. Now can you now guess what was in the bottle? So yes, you can say that in the bottle air is present. ठीक है. It is air that was present in the bottle. Okay. Yes, air which is present in the bottle, which was present in the bottle. So the bottle was not empty at all. It means the bottle was not empty at all. Bottle खाली नहीं है. It has air inside it. ठीक है. In fact, it was filled completely with air even when you turn it upside down. ठीक है. अब ये देखो, if you see this figure 15.4, when you turn it upside down, so the water does not enter the bottle. ठीक है. So the water does not enter the bottle because of air. But if we tilt it, ठीक है, अगर हम इसे tilt कर दे, थोड़ा सा झुका दे, तो then it has water inside it. ठीक है. And here it is written why we see bubbles when we tilt the bottle. We see bubbles because when the bottle was tilted, the air was able to come out in the form of bubbles. You know that in the bottle it contains air. ठीक है. When we tilt the bottle and water enters into the bottle, ठीक है, then the airs come out in the form of bubbles. ठीक है. And water fill the empty space. Right. So what do we observe after performing this activity? So this activity shows that air occupies a space. Underline this line. This activity shows that air occupies space, means it fills all the space in the bottle. ठीक है. जितने भी space bottle में थे, it fills all the spaces. And it is present everywhere around us. You know that air is present everywhere. ठीक है. So air has no color. We cannot see the color of air. We cannot see air. We can only feel it. ठीक है. And it is transparent. So who will explain what do you mean by the term transparent? Yes, Ishita.
And the object from which we can see clearly is called transparent.
Yes, right. Yes, Tejas Tripathi, can you give one example of transparent object?
Yes, ma'am.
Danish, wait.
Ma'am, like glass.
Glass. Okay. Yes. Transparent objects are those objects by which we can see clearly. I have also explained this topic in chapter 8 नहीं, 8 तो बॉडी था, ह्यूमन बॉडी।
And chapter 7.
Yes, chapter 7 getting to know plants, getting to know plants beta. In chapter 9 yes, there are 3 types of object: transparent, translucent and opaque. Okay beta, Shraddha, mute yourself, everyone mute yourself. Okay, in chapter 9 this topic is also there beta, that we have to define 3 types of object: transparent, translucent and opaque. Okay, so it is transparent means is transparent, we can see clearly through it. Okay, it has no color, we can only feel air, we cannot touch it. So now our earth is surrounded by a thin layer of air. So you know that our earth is surrounded by a thin layer of air, and this layer extends up to many kilometer above the surface of earth. और ये जो air की जो layer है, it extend मतलब बढ़ना ऊपर की तरफ, ठीक है? It extend up many kilometer above the surface of earth. अर्थ की surface के ऊपर तक ये layer होती है. So this layer is called atmosphere. Atmosphere where air is present. ठीक है? So as we move higher in the atmosphere, air gets rarer. जैसे जैसे आप atmosphere में ऊपर move करोगे तो air की वैल्यू क्वांटिटी क्या हो जाती है? It's get low. Yes, right.
We have studied in geography.
See. Okay. Now can you think mountaineers carry?
Mountaineers, ma'am, that's why people who climb mountains, they have oxygen cylinders.
Okay. Now I'm going to tell you some interesting facts about this. ठीक है, मुझे कुछ याद आया. Now I will share the interesting fact which is related to this topic. So first let me read this. Now can you think mountaineers carry oxygen cylinder with them while climbing high mountains? So mountaineers also carry oxygen cylinder with them because here it is written that if we go move higher and higher in the atmosphere, so air gets rarer, means a quantity of air is less. So can anyone tell me why the climbers carry oxygen cylinder with them? Mountaineers carry oxygen cylinders with them. एक सेकेंड.
Because they go into the other atmosphere, into the other level of ice, and on going higher level of air gets.
Yes, and when the people go above, so the layer the air come low. That's why the container takes oxygen cylinder because of getting oxygen.
Okay, right. Yes, Isita Sinha. Wait. Why mountaineers carry oxygen cylinder with them while climbing mountains?
Ma'am, they carry the oxygen cylinder with them because at the higher place that is on mountain, they are not able to breathe there because there are less amount of oxygen.
Yeah, right. While climbing high mountain, because you know that when we move higher in the atmosphere, so the air gets rarer. Means air की quantity क्या हो जाएगी? वहाँ पे rare हो जाएगी. So we don't get oxygen. ठीक है? That's why they usually carry oxygen cylinder with them. Okay? Because of reducing level of oxygen in the air. एयर की क्वांटिटी जो होगी मींस वहां पे जो गैसेस होंगी ऑक्सीजन होगा, बाकी जो गैसेस प्रेजेंट होती है व्हिच इज प्रेजेंट इन एयर, सो इट रिड्यूसेस. दैट्स व्हाई माउंटेनियर्स ऑलवेज कैरी ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर विद देम, राइट? ठीक है. सो इफ यू रीच माउंटेन है, इफ यू रीच देयर, अगर कोई सपोज कर लो सोहम यहाँ खड़ा है, ठीक है, सो we can breathe oxygen, but we know that the amount of oxygen in high altitudes is low. ठीक है. अब क्या होगा? देखो एक चीज और है, लो होगा, that's why they usually carry oxygen cylinder. एक चीज और है, अब देखो ये तो एटमॉस्फेयर एकदम पास है.